Hemal here for a quick daily update on the markets and the major indexes. So frail rebound today, and we still have 2 distribution days on S&P and then 1 on NASDAQ. So next few days will decide where this market goes, in my opinion. Let's look at the spiders again. So all the indexes, it was like a frail rebound, as we can see. Let's look at the hourly chart. So opened up, went up, and then it faded into the close. You can see the same thing on all the indexes. Now this red line I drew yesterday continues to be the line in the sand. So this price action has to stay over the 50-day moving average. This needs to be protected. If it does not, then I will liquidate several of my positions, because market will get more dicier, in my opinion. Looking at Qs, I see the same thing. Again, the red line needs to be protected. Small caps, it's in a much better position, much higher than the red line. Again, if it breaks through here on volume, they'll be positive. If it breaks down underneath this, would be negative. So we'll react accordingly. I also wanted to share this quick tidbit from sentimenttraders.com by Jason Geppert. So I believe he has all the sentimental indicators, etc., on his website. This is just a free article I signed up for. So this is makes sense. This is a very important note that I read. So hedgers have established much larger shorts against stocks than they have now. So the absolute level of exposure isn't too troubling. But when hedgers have been net long for at least 6 weeks and then flip to a net short position, stocks have struggled over the short to medium term. Again, stocks have struggled. So as you can see, this blue line, major index combined hedger positions. So they went from net long since March, right? Since March to net short. So that could be a useful indicator. That's just an observation by whoever wrote this article. So you can see here. So this is where it went. Again, it wasn't net long back then, but you can see market was at all-time highs, and then it was net short, and then market corrected. Now when the market started its uptrend, this was net long. So again, you can't really say this is a perfect market indicator, but when you go back down here, you can see that again, it's not as evident as this. So we'll have to see, but again, just something to pay attention to. And basically that's all I have. So let's see what happens. Hope everyone is doing well. Again, please do your own research, but I just collect my thoughts. I review a lot of my resources, and then I just sum it up for all of you here. So have a great night. Take care.